Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: Windows 11 build, Game Bar app installed, and sufficient disk space. Open Settings, go to Gaming, and enable Xbox Game Bar. This allows overlay hotkeys. Once done, choose Privacy and Security and grant microphone and screen record permissions to apps. Make sure your GPU drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers often block recording. You should also verify your storage location under captures so clips aren't saved to a full drive. This prevents immediate failure. Now you configure capture settings so recordings start reliably. Open Settings Gaming Captures and set quality, frame rate, and maximum clip length. Higher settings need more CPU/GPU headroom. Assign a clear hotkey for start/stop recording, and for screenshots, memorize them. Disable any other overlays like Discord or NVIDIA Shadowplay because they often conflict with Game Bar. If you use game mode, enable it, but make sure background apps are limited so resources focus on recording performance. Finish by testing. Launch a game or app, press your record hotkey, and capture a short clip. You should immediately verify the saved file plays and audio is in sync. If recording fails, restart the Xbox Game Bar process or sign out and back into your account. Then try reinstalling the Xbox Game Bar from the Microsoft Store. Make sure Windows and GPU drivers are current. If problems persist, open Event Viewer and Filter for application logs to spot capture-related errors. This gives a specific error code to search for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.